Alright, so let's write some inequalities when we are given a graph. This first graph up here, we can see we have an open circle at -4. So if you watch the video on how to do these graphs, you'll know that open circles means it's got to be a greater than or it's got to be a less than symbol. So what we do is we go ahead and we start out with our variable x on the left side. Wherever the circle is, that -4 will be on the right side, and what inequality goes in between. Well, we just said open circles will be a greater than or less than, and then we try to notice, or we do notice, which side the shading is on. Did we shade all the bigger numbers or all the smaller numbers from -4? Because it's shading to the right, those are all your bigger numbers, so we'll say x is greater than -4. Alright, next example, we have a circle at 1, so we're going to have x on the left, 1 on the right. It's a closed circle, which means our options are greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. And now we have to figure out what the shading is. Everything is shaded to the left of 1. All these numbers are smaller, heading out this way, so that means that x is less than or equal to 1. So what we're saying with that is, what does x equal? Well, x doesn't equal just one number. X could equal anything that's shaded. X is just going to be less than or equal to 1. So x could be +1 right here. X could be 0.5. X could be a 0, a -1. X could be any of these values that are less than that +1. So when you're writing an inequality, go ahead and put the variable on the left side, the number on the right side where your circle is, and determine open or closed, which way is it shading. That will give you the inequality.